Today I will show you some examples of continuity at a point. Continuity at a point has three conditions. There must be met a function of f of x is continuous at a point where x is equals to c. If exists, f of c exists, that is c in the domain of f. And this is the given. F of x is equals 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. A plus x is equals to negative 2. Okay, first substitute the value of x. So it becomes f is to negative 2 equals 3 negative 2 squared plus 2 negative 2 plus 1. Okay. F of negative 2 is equals to 3 times negative 2 squared is equals to 12 plus 2 times negative 2 is equals to negative 4 plus 1. Okay, and the final answer in this is f of negative 2 is equals to 12 plus negative 4 is equals to 8 plus 1, so equals to 9. And that's all. This is the continuity at the point. Thank you.